So guys, isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. And ayan, for today's video is, ito lang po is short update po tayo sa DNA test na nangyari noon kina Edward and Edwin. Kung natandaan nyo yung part na na-vlog sila ni Kalinga Prab na meron pong kumuha ng kanilang sample, no? And ito po yung Dalia and Blair. Ayan, pwede nyo po silang isubscribe para makita nyo po yung mga update sa mga ganito na yung naghahanap po ng mga magulang or mga ano is talagang nakakatulong din naman po sila, no? Sa pamamagitan ng kanilang pagkukuha ng mga sample and minamatch po nila kasi may ginagawa po silang test. So ngayon is ayan, ito na po yung update sa kanila and ito basahin ko na lang po. Update on Edward and Edwin. A journey of hope. Our hearts are heavy but our spirits remain resilient. The DNA test result of our dear friends, the twins, Edward and Edwin, it come back without any close matches to their Australian biological father. So, ayan, sinabi po dyan na wala po yung naganap na match, na DNA test is hindi po nagmatch sa hinahanap, sa na-expect nilang biological father nila. So, they have been taken both ancestry and my heritage in their DNA has been uploaded to GEDmatch. So, for 22 years, these young men have carried the quiet longing to know their roots and this news is hard to hear. Ayan. However, this is not the end of their story. It is just another chapter in their slog. Our dedicated genealogist Caleb is already diving deeper into the data, meticulously piecing together the missing bits of this puzzle. We are holding on to hope, believing that with time or until a relative of their father takes a DNA test, the truth will come to light. We won't give up on you, Edward and Edwin. Please keep the twins in our thoughts and prayers. Together we can help bring them closer to the answer they deserve. So, ayan po yung post ni Dalia and Blair, no? Ito po ay hindi makaka-apekto sa mga kambal, no? Kasi matagal naman na nilang hinahanap pero hindi pa rin mahanap-hanap. And mag-focus na lang po sila sa kanilang pag-aaral. Huwag na muna nilang intindihin ng masyado sa ngayon kasi napakatagal na. Although, andyan na po tayo, tatay nila yan. So, hahanapin talaga nila yan. Pero, sa ngayon is focus lang muna sila sa kanilang pag-aaral. Kasi pag lagi nilang iniisip is baka hindi na sila makapag-focus sa kanilang pag-aaral, no? Kaya ito lang po ang masasabi ko kina Kalingap kina Edwin and Edward. Ayan. Keep going lang. Keep praying na hoping na isang araw is magkukross ang inyong mga landas with your biological father, no? Hindi natin alam minsan yung mga napaka imposibleng bagay ay parang magiging posible. So, ayan po yung update. Bye-bye and God bless.